Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're looking at Satin Naturel Enhanced Natural Care Organic Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now, when I got this, you had to take off the top, put this new spray type nozzle on. Just a couple dabs will do you. And if you're gonna apply it to your skin, just rub it on, even it out, no need to wash it off or anything. And it really does a difference. Now I like to use it on my face, and that seems to work wonders. Keeps you feeling fresh, young, and healthy. It says apply 1 to 3 pumps of serum to your skin. Allow the serum to absorb, finish with a moisturizer. So anyway, folks, really nice. Just a couple dabs will do you, 2 or 3. And forgive my calluses on my hands. Just rub that into your face or whatever body part you're trying to smooth out. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Adios, amigos.